Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. As we were discussing about the small scale industries, its problems. So in the previous class we have discussed about the its financial problem and problems related to raw material and power. Dear students, this was the two major problems of small scale industries. Now today we will discuss onwards. There are also so many problems before the growth and development of small scale industries. As we have already discussed, its contribution still small scale industries are facing lots of problems. So the third problem of small scale industries, that is, dear students, related to the marketing. As we know that small scale units generally face difficulties in marketing of their products and services, as there are hardly any funds for advertisement or sales promotion. There are lots of products, dear students, which are existing in the market, but still we don't know about all of them because they do not have any kind of fund for the advertisement or sales promotion of their product. The small scale industries owners have very less capital and hardly they can manage the funds for purchasing plants and machinery and raw material. So many times it is seen that the funds are not sufficient for raw material even too. Then how it is possible that to make the advertisement and sales promotion of their product in the market? And as we know that today we all are living in the advertisement world where each and everything is completely based on the world advertisement, because advertisement uses to address the product, address about the product, that how the products are going to be issued, how the products are going to be useful, and which kind of product is available in the market. Until or unless customers or consumers are not knowing about the product, then it is quite impossible to demand for the product. So advertisement is required, but small scale industries have lack of finance, lack of funds. That's why their services, their products are getting difficulties in marketing. Still their products are good, but people are not knowing, their demands are not high in the market. That's why they depends on intermediaries, means those people who are going to make the promotion of the product. Or so many times it is seen that small scale industries are producing goods and it is these are directly supplying to large scale industries. So these industries are purchasing their goods at lowest cost, and so many times it is seen that they are going to exploit them by giving less cost, less amount on the good quality of products. Thereafter, dear students, the next problem before small scale industries, that is technology. As we know that majority of small scale industries or enterprises are using old techniques of production because they cannot afford new techniques. They are not capable. The affordability of the small scale industries entrepreneurs are very less. That's why They all are using old machines, old techniques, and old equipments. And if they need to modernize the equipment and machines for their product, then they need funds. But they do not have funds. So many times it is seen that in so many industries, or in so many, especially if we are talking about cottage industries, then there is less investment or hardly a little bit investment in plant and machinery. But most of the time it is seen that they are producing handmade product. Their labor intensive work is there, not capital intensive work. And due to labor intensive work, it takes time, and due to taking time, the product is producing at less quantity with highest cost. So dear students, due to being labor intensive work, the cost of the product is very high, because labor cannot produce the goods like machines. Machines are doing the work with fastest rate, but there is a capacity and capability of each and every labor, and they cannot produce the goods like machines, and the finishing will not be like the machines. That's why it is seen that handloom and handicraft goods are basically costly, because they are made of hands. So this is also technology, or old technologies, or updation of the technology is also a big problem before small scale industries. Now dear students, fifth is competition. As you know that small scale firms face competition not only from large industries but also from multinational companies. As in 2004, India became a global country, and the FTZ and SEZ was declared. FTZ, Free Trade Zone, was declared. India was declared as free trade zone. Therefore, after the declaration, so many multinational companies started to investment in Indian market, in Indian products, and the machines are producing the product at cheapest cost, with the help of at cheapest cost, with high units of production. So dear students, due to cheap cost, due to less cost, their market demand is high, and small scale industries are facing problem with the multinational companies. Previously they were also facing the problem of only large scale industries of India, but nowadays they are not only facing the problem with large scale industries but also with multinational companies. So dear students, these were few basic problem before the small scale industries. Now dear students, we will discuss about there are some also other problems before small scale industries, in which first is lack of managerial efficiency, because the small scale industries entrepreneurs are not much more educated and well trained, and they do not have any entrepreneurial experience. That's why their managerial efficiency is very low. Thereafter dear students, lack of demand of produced goods, as we have already discussed, that due to facing the difficulties in marketing, especially related to the advertisement and sales promotion, people are not knowing so many products. That's why their demands are very less. Next is labor problem. Dear students, there are lots of labor problems. labors are not getting upgraded, and due to not getting upgraded and they are not using the techniques, labor intensive works are there, and due to being labor intensive works, the industries are being overburdened with the labor charge. Thereafter, next term is burden of local taxes. Dear students, the small enterprises are also facing the problem of the burden of local taxes like professional tax, house tax, water tax. These all tax are included as a beneficiary, and also they have to pay some local taxes, which increases the burden on the cost. And due to a rise of the cost, the people do not people do not want to purchase it. Now, dear students, next term is poor product quality. As we have already discussed that the goods are prepared by laborers and by their hands, not the machines. So many times the machines are not used. That's why handmade products do not provide the finishing like the machines. This is also a major problem before small scale industries. So dear students, today we will stop. We have discussed all the problems of small scale industries. Tomorrow we will discuss about the next term related to small scale industries. Till then, thank you.